Deba Douglas, and we are here in McKinney, Texas. This is Rex to Riches season 4.
Started with rubble where dreams used to roam, a broken old mansion far from the home. Nail by nail we're stacking the gold, turning the dust into stories untold. From wrecks to riches, we're building it strong. Where silence once lingered, now echoes a song. Oh, sand in the cracks and paint in the glow, flipping the past to a future we know.
Crows were laughing, the sky turned gray. The wolves all howled, but I stayed my way. I took the storms, turned them into clay. Made a mountain high where the ashes lay. I climbed the rubble, I heard the sound.
Ooh, it looks good. How are you? This is really nice. I like the color. Good morning. Oh, it looks good with this. That's really, really nice. Yay. Perfect.
Okay, so here we are, week 4, and unfortunately, I was literally in Houston at a conference. That's why it's so important for you to have a project manager, because even though I may be absent, the job continues to flow and people are still there getting your house done. So I was able to communicate back and forth with Chelsea on some of the needs that Chelsea needed from me, but it's so great to know that work is still happening while I'm doing other work across town.
Yeah. I'm loving the floors. I like that the vanities and the cabinets are in so that you can see it all come together. And everything, like this bathroom's gonna look so nice when we get the countertop placed. They did a really, really good job. So one thing it takes to be a great project manager is to make sure that you are on site and that you are managing the contractors that are there. And just because Deba can't be here today doesn't mean that I am not boots on the ground. That's what I'm here for, to make sure that things are moving seamlessly. I never want her to come here and she doesn't see a change or no one is in the home. So just making sure that I'm boots on the ground, I'm here making sure things are being done is my day today. Okay, so we're making our way upstairs. Oh, and the paint looks good. It's clean. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with how this is all pulling together. And we've ordered some supplies. So that should be coming on Monday. And it's just putting it all back together. It looks really good. Oh, supplies. Okay. Just stuff. Ooh, these don't look good. Perfect. So everything is moving along really, really well at the house. The floors are being done. They're cutting up the baseboards. They're about to start on the floors upstairs. So we are moving along nicely. The vanities are in, the cabinets are in. We have measured for countertops. And so now it's just putting it all back together. This is like the true go time, because you see things being done and going really, really well. And so sometimes you take your foot off the gas, but this is when you're supposed to put your foot on the gas. Get your finish out materials here, get everybody on schedule so you can finish it out. Put hand here and then just go straight down. Just right here and go straight down. This right button? Oh, okay. Did I do it? So in some ways, I'm a little bit like Deba. I can get down and dirty just a little bit. But the guys were here and they were doing the floors and he was cutting the baseboards using some machine. And I just wanted to see if I could try it. Luckily, I have a good relationship with them, and he was able to show me how to use it, and I was able to cut that board. And so it's good to be able to kind of do a couple of different things and see what they do in their day-to-day, because then you have a new appreciation and respect for them. Okay. Period. It is crunch time. The guys are doing the floors. The paint has been complete. And so now I'm ordering all of the finish out so the guys can come in here and hang the fixtures, put up the cabinet handles, the mirrors, and the other little things that you don't think about. So this is the time, honestly, that takes the longest to me, because you just want to make sure the guys have everything that they need to finish. So this is where you have a lot of Amazon orders and a lot of Home Depot runs, but you want to make sure you get it done.
What's up? Look at you working hard. I am so happy we repainted.
That was such a good call on your end.
Oh my gosh. I feel like it looks more modern.
Yeah. I didn't see the vision, but you saw that vision.
Oh.
And ChatGPT made it come to life.
It did. It did.
I was on board once I saw it.
I did. It
And
did.
It looks really, really good.
It does. At the finish line, day 30, and I am loving what I see. As soon as I walk into the front of the house, I see that we went back and changed the exterior color to a charcoal black, and it really changes the entire mood of the house before you even step foot in it. So I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to see the rest of the house. I like this. Oh, I love this.
I know it's
I
black.
love how they painted the shelving. This looks so good.
It feels like an office.
It does.
Even with the light fixture, it just gives office.
Yes, serious, focus.
Mm-hmm.
And I love that we were able to reuse these shelving and just paint them. And we were using the same blinds.
Yes.
So I am so happy that we're able to and use a light fixture. I think that's the same light
We use
fixture.
the same light fixture, the same lines, kept the shelving.
I love it.
Keep your things, y'all.
Yes, I love this. Okay. All right, I've been nervous about this half bath
Because of the little vanity.
because of our little miniature vanity.
But it works.
And it came out really cute.
She's cute.
It is. And I think it works in here and gives you space.
Yes.
This worked out really beautifully.
It gives it a really good touch.
It does.
I like it.
And it just flows together with all the black and whites that we're doing with the henna green.
Yes. And you believed in this too.
I did.
You did.
You were kind of nervous about that. You were like, I don't know.
I don't know, but sometimes you just got to do it and go for it.
Do it. I love this.
But this I love. And with the light fixture.
Yes.
And we've been holding on to this fixture.
We have been. I'm like, we're going to find a house and we're going to put this thing in.
And it looks great right here. Against that black wall.
Yes.
I feel like I would spend my time in here.
I would too. This would be where I just really just enjoy myself.
Yes. Just kick back.
And this was last minute. Like we decided to do this like
last minute.
The last hour.
Since y'all are here, just stay here.
And we had extra trim, so like just make something happen.
Mm-hmm.
They did a really good job.
They did a great job. And it's clean.
It is clean.
It's very clean.
I love it. Walking into the house is like a dream. We got a brand new door. We got brand new flooring. Our trim is so much nicer in the house. We have our black hinges, our black doorknobs. Everything is coming together and the house looks amazing, ready for its new buyer. I love it. I love the floors. Our white oak.
We love a good white oak.
It's coming
floor.
together. Okay, the master. I love how spacious this is.
It is a big master. Now that the bed is in here,
yeah.
Now I can kind of see how big. I didn't notice how big the room was.
I didn't notice how big it was either. I didn't know it was this much depth.
Yes.
When you come in,
they can put another little couch in here.
You could. Area. A really nice seating area.
Kept the same blinds.
Yes. I love how this came. I love
the bathrooms.
I am here for this bathroom.
I love. And then I got one big mirror. I think something about one big mirror has really been doing it for me. Really good.
I love this. I love that we got better cabinets, made them higher, put two vanities. Mm-hmm. I love this. And I love how we did the shower. The glass is coming on Saturday. So they'll install the glass on Saturday.
Yep.
Wow.
We could have used the glass we had.
We couldn't. That was really,
We tried.
that really hurt us. So we went over budget on that because we were hoping to keep that same glass.
We were so confident they would be
We
able
did.
to. I'm like, it's on site. Just come and install it.
Dang. I feel like they would lie to us too, though.
Because I got my tape measure in the car.
Now that the house is complete, Chelsea and I are going to go through the house and do the blue tape. This is just an extra step that we're just checking every little detail of the house because I would rather catch it than the buyer catch it. And then they won't send me an offer. And I got to get an offer on this house as soon as possible. Okay, I do feel like there's still some texture here that they probably went to update on this wall.
This
Like
trim.
right here somewhere.
Yeah, they did
They need to
this
just
side
come back
and
yeah,
paint it.
Come back and paint it. Let me shoot him a text real quick while we... Kitchen. Wow.
I love this.
What a difference it makes to have higher cabinets.
Yes,
to
it
have put the
does.
42-inch cabinets in here.
It just looks good.
It
You know, I love to
does.
cook, and I could definitely see somebody in here.
Yes.
Entertaining
Right.
and cook. You have space.
You do. You have a lot of countertop space.
And then you get a full pantry too.
Yeah.
So it's
This
really not
looks
lacking
really-
in anything.
This is really good. I'm here for this. And I really love this light fixture. This was you all day.
Oh yeah.
Because we couldn't put two pendants, so we had to put one
One.
light, but have an extension. And I love this.
I was scouring the internet for something nice.
Yeah.
But not.
And it's
too
very
much.
modern.
Yeah.
This came out really, really nice.
And I like how it drops down. It's not too low. It's not too
Yeah.
high. It's like the perfect height.
And everything is so fresh and neat in here.
I love it. I love it. So my favorite parts of this home are the bathrooms and the kitchen. Those cabinet handles just make a room pop, and the white oak vanities are so good in those bathrooms. So it all comes together. It matches well with the tile. It's just gonna look so good when we put that shower glass in, and I know that the family, whoever buys this house, is gonna absolutely love it because I love it.
The fact that our countertop doesn't go all the way up that way.
Oh, see, I never even. It needs to go right here. I wonder if they can.
Wonder if they could just trim it out.
Like,
put like
put a little piece
white
underneath?
trim right there. Because there's some in the garage. If
I
they
was
can
just gonna
just
go grab
trim
one.
it.
I would
No?
leave it, but
And
that's
just leave
me.
it blank like that?
I mean, it's painted, ain't it, on the back?
Leave it with the gap?
Because then it looks like we put a.
It looks
It looks like you put a
hodgepodge.
piece there.
Walking into the kitchen, it is beautiful. We have new countertops, we have new cabinets, but then all of a sudden, as I look right under the microwave, I see that the countertop backsplash did not meet the microwave seamlessly. So there's about a 2 or 3 inch gap there. So it makes me kind of nervous. And then we tried to put trim there. I think our best bet is to either leave it alone or see if our countertop guy has a fix for it. So we'll see what we can do with it.
You weren't even looking at it.
I wasn't even looking at it. So maybe for the naked eye, they may not see it.
They gonna see everything else.
Yeah,
They gonna see new countertops.
they're gonna see new countertops.
Well, they better see new countertops.
Now let's go check out upstairs.
Perfect.
I love the stairs.
Yes, I like that he puts this little, what do you call it? The lip?
The nose.
Yeah.
Every 2-story house that we have sold
Has a
landing. The ones that don't have a landing, they don't sell. So I'm so happy this has its own like loft area.
Same.
So I think that would be ideal for a buyer.
And the master's downstairs.
And the master's with an office. So
Y'all have space.
you got space. I love these rooms.
I think they look good.
I think so too.
I think they look really good.
I think this is really spacious.
Yes, there is a family that needs to be here.
Yeah, and it could be like multi-generational
Mm-hmm.
because these rooms are large and really spacious. It looks really good in here.
And all the hinges.
Yeah, love the higher baseboards.
Mhm.
Changed all the light fixtures, all the light switches.
Kept the ceiling fan.
Yes. I did ask Henry to come back and paint.
I told him about that too.
Okay,
Mhm.
cool. Something that I had to be mindful of throughout this entire rehab process is that this is not a $300,000 house that I'm selling. We're probably gonna list this house around $530,000, $540,000, so that's a totally different buyer. So I need to be even more meticulous and even more focused on the detail on this house because your buyer is gonna tear us to pieces if they don't like it. This turned out really, really nice because we added
The sink.
the double sink.
Uh-oh.
We added the double sink. We kept the toilet where it was.
Mhm.
And it still was spacious and a lot of room in here.
Yeah, I'm glad that we had space to
Yes. To
put
add
another
that.
bowl.
This looks, and it makes sense if you have multiple families up here.
Yes.
You got double sinks for that.
Because they're going to need that space.
Yeah. I'm here for this. This is so nice. One thing I don't know if we have done, we may need to get Jaime to come back to change the air filter. If there's
Okay.
even one, yeah. Because I don't know if this is really cooling. I know. And I set it for 75 when I got here.
It's it's not, that's not cold, but it's blowing. Turn it down a little bit.
And then I left this open so they could come back.
Yeah, they have that spot they need.
Yeah.
Yeah, just leave it on there. I just want to see if it gets cold.
Okay, overall the house looks good. You
Great.
did an amazing job.
Woo, good to
I know you
hear.
were nervous, but you did an amazing job. I'm
Thank
super
you.
proud of you, for
Thank
real.
you.
For taking the lead, taking on, dealing with all the money. I
Yes.
appreciate you so much.
I
Like,
appreciate
seriously.
you for trusting me. I'm like, I gotta make her proud. Hold up. This is
And
my
you
client.
did.
I'm like,
and
okay.
you did.
Okay. Just try to make sure I walk the house with Deba eyes. So
Yes, and you
yeah.
did that. I mean, the house is beautiful.
I think it looks good.
Yes.
So excited once again that Deba trusted me to be her project manager. Every home that I do with her, I'm learning something new, and I'm just wanting to make sure that I'm making her proud because she is a client. I want to make sure that the guys are here on time and the work is being done very well. So I'm happy when she's happy, and when she's happy, everyone's happy. So I'm excited that this went well.
Okay, so what we got to do now? Do the mold?
We got one more thing to do.
Okay, we didn't want to pay nobody to
A little
do this.
sweat equity never
Okay,
hurt nobody.
okay, I'm gonna tie my hair up. Let's go.
Okay, let's go put some
Okay,
mulch outside.
let's do it. I haven't done this type of work since before I had Naomi. Y'all already know that we're already over budget. So, a way for Chelsea and I to save some money, we're just gonna put our own little sweat equity and we're gonna pour out the mulch. This way it saves us about $500 from paying someone, and we get to literally connect and laugh while we put the mulch together. Pour it on top.
That's what I'm thinking. Or do we maybe need to, but we don't have no shovel. We didn't think this through. Did we just pour it on top?
Shit, I think we just pour it on top.
Yeah, just scoot some of this.
And we don't have no broom or anything.
I'm like, just mulch.
So ill prepared. But one thing we will do, we will figure it out. I'll tell you that. Chelsea knew she was coming to work.
Huh?
I said, you knew you were coming to work.
Oh yeah. Hauling all of this in my truck, I was like, okay.
Okay guys, we just finished this house and I am so excited about getting a buyer into this house as fast as possible. We finished this house in 30 days, y'all. 30 days, in and out, super excited about it. Let's go over some of these numbers. We bought the house for $350. Our rehab budget was close to $45.50, and we're gonna list it on the market for $530, and we should be able to profit about 80 grand on this one house. Thank you so much for watching season 4. Super excited to have you. If this is something you're interested in and you want to get to it, the link in our description and it will take you to book a call, and I cannot wait to connect with you.